Welcome back to my daily analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Monday, the 21st of December. Now, what we have on cable is a lot of volatility today. The talks on Brexit had continued over the weekend. The two sides have significant differences that they are still having to try and overcome, and markets are beginning to get really worried now. Last couple of sessions we've seen cable sharply lower, actually over 300 pips lower on cable. Sterling under real pressure. Look at this massive gap lower at the open today and continue to the downside. Obviously the fears are seemingly now starting to be priced that maybe they can't get an agreement and maybe that there is no deal at the end of the road. So subsequently, obviously sterling sharply lower, but essentially the talks are ongoing. Now this leaves us in a really difficult position because obviously if you get any sort of news flow that suggests maybe they are close to an agreement, you're going to see sterling sharply higher again. So it is a really difficult trade at the moment, but you'd say that I think closing below this old pivot area that we talked about previously, I think below sort of 32 figure decisively starts to get a little bit hairy. Below 33 figure even, you could argue, but I think 32 figure, then you start to see the market closing below certainly that low of last week. And you then start to think, well, is this actually going to happen at all? But on the technical basis, you'd look at the indicators and say, well, this is obviously very choppy on the RSI, but nothing decisive yet. It's just looking at the news flow and trading the news flow, and that means that obviously these negotiations with the EU always go down to the wire, it seems, and subsequently you're going to get a lot of volatility, I think, and that is significantly playing out through cable obviously this morning. But can you take the technicals as an indicator at the moment? I'm not entirely sure that you can. Obviously RSI below 30 theoretically would look increasingly negative. And it doesn't look great on the hourly chart there, does it? But can we take this as a true signal? Well, it's a brave trader, I think, that takes on cable in a trending manner, but especially with the fluctuations surrounding these negotiations at the moment. But obviously the latest news is negative, but that could all turn again quite quickly on any sort of signal that perhaps the two sides could be coming close to a deal. But it's a difficult one at the moment. Now, obviously, we've got the support that comes in at that 31.30. That was that reaction low from last Monday, 31.35, I think it was. Below that, you're looking at the 30 big figure area, and then underneath and further breaking down this uptrend. But it's so difficult to really trade cable at the moment. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I really mean that on cable. And you can click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.